What up, YouTube? It's your boy Danny back with another video. I have it. I have it. I got it. Shout out to Michael and his fiance Ashley.
And huge, massive shout out to Sinfish. He's been watching me for years, since he was in at least college, I believe, maybe even before that. And we have become friends outside of YouTube as well. But he was nice enough to donate for Christmas. He said, dude, this is a Christmas gift. I just want to give back a little bit. I appreciate your videos and your streams and all that. And dude, like, seriously, you are amazing. He donated 0.10 ETH, I believe is the amount. And if you do a little, that's crypto. If you don't know that, that's Ethereum. If you do a little translation, it translated out to $400. Homie sent me $400 donation while streaming.
They alerted me that the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 that me and David have been jizzing over for like 3 weeks. Publicly anyway. I've been looking at it since July. I think he's been looking at it pretty longer than 3 weeks as well. But $499 at Sam's Club right now. You get the Osmo Pocket 3. You get an extra battery. You get a 128 gigabyte micro SD card from Kingston. Decent brand. What else you get? That's just specs on the camera. I think that's all you get. Oh yeah, I said battery, but battery handle, whatever. The point is, $499 for this bundle. It's still going on right now at Sam's Club. They had like 20 of these in stock, so they're not flying off the shelves. I just don't think people realize the deal you're getting with this, and so I'm so excited. I've been waiting all day to get off work to go buy this thing, and I got paid. I was waiting on a certain payment, and it came through about 6 o'clock this evening, and I said, let's go, because I was either going to buy it tonight or I was going to buy it tomorrow, and I get it a day earlier than what I was planning on getting it. So that being said, let's open up the box. And yeah, I could, set up my Sony camera and do, an up close unboxing, but I am going to go live soon. That's right. In case you haven't noticed, with all the advertising I've been doing, including changing all my end screens on all 1,600 videos and the descriptions on all 1,600 videos, your boy is on Twitch again. I'm not making another video on going back to Twitch for the 19,000th time. Okay, I gave Kick a try. I actually do like Kick. I don't have a problem with Kick. It's just my audience. My audience is on Twitch. It's actually on YouTube as well. But I have 700 followers on Twitch. I have 4,000 plus subscribers on YouTube. I would stream on YouTube if YouTube was more streamlined for streaming. I said stream like 3 times in one sentence. I just like the fact that on OBS, I can just hit live or go live. This is go live. I can just hit go live and I'm live on Twitch. With Kick and with YouTube, you have to open up a browser. And YouTube, you have to open up 5 browsers. And the chat integration doesn't always work in the OBS software. So I'm just like, Twitch it is. Twitch is king for the moment. Who knows? I'll probably not stay there forever, but I'm there for now. I'm going to be there for 2025. I'm not moving. I want to continue to grow my audience. It's over 700. It's 702 right now. Followers on Twitch. And I'm going to put the full VODs on the VOD channel and the highlights on the main channel. So you all are going to see me playing games one way or another. So buckle up, buckaroo. Anyway, I went way off topic. So here's the battery handle for the Osmo Pocket 3. Very nice. I love these cameras. This is AI. In case you're wondering, I get this question all the time. What cameras am I using? I'm using 2 cameras. These are the AnchorWorks. Okay, it just says AnchorWorks 4K webcam. They're 2 4K webcams, and they're AI. So the AI follows my face. So when I move, it zooms in and moves the camera, or the lens really. Moves the lens. It's actually not moving, but the fact is it crops in and follows my face. It's got face tracking is what I'm trying to say. I love this. These are only like $80 too on sale on Amazon. So I bought 2 because I needed one for the full version of this instance and then the live scene, which I'll show you. And yes, I got new visuals. Yeah, see that? So that's why I have two cameras, one for the small and one for the full. Just like that. But yeah, so here's they just shoved this in the box at Samsung, but there's the 128 gigabyte micro SD card. As I already showed you, the battery handle, very nice. But who cares about any of that when I'm after my baby, the Osmo Pocket 3. Look at this. Let's rip it open, shall we? I do have here my Insta360 X3 camera, which, gotta be honest, I said I was gonna keep. I might sell, because if this thing blows me away, I'm never gonna want to use the Insta X3. The Insta X3 is a great camera. I've loved it for the year I've had it. But if this does everything I want it to do, including mounting to my car as easy as this mounts to my car, then I don't need this. And I could absolutely resell this for almost what I paid for it. And so I also actually get some, genuine more use out of it than I have been for all year. But yeah, let's get this thing open. I'm tired of talking. No, I'm not. I love to talk. Even my voice doesn't work. I love to talk. So, just going to slice carefully, because I like to keep my boxes nice. Local man cuts himself on stream. Well, in this case, I'm recording, but still. All right, move the knife over there because it's open still. And then it's got a pull tab. It looks like on the box. So pulls right off. The fun part is here. All right. Let me just pull the camera case. Oh, it's inside the case. That's right. It does come with a carrying case, or a carrying shell, really. Yeah, it looks like there's also some probably cables in this one right here. A little power brick, which is great. I swear, DJI, you better be USB-C. I'm sure you are. Come on. Not 2015. No, just drop some. Yeah, USB-C to USB-C. Very nice. That's all that's in that box. What did I drop? I think it's a lanyard I dropped. Okay. Yeah, lanyard. Who cares? Power brick. USB-C to USB-C. All right. Oh, this is quality. This is quality. This feels nice. Oh, here's extra lenses within the shell. So I'll try those out later. It's got screen thing, pulls off like that. That's cool. All right, let's see if this thing's got any charge to it. Ooh, all right, so I'm just gonna flip the screen. Oh, that's how you turn it on. You just flip the screen. That OLED. That's an OLED screen. It looks the richest blacks I've ever seen. Richer than the Will Smith, and he's black as can be. Do I keep that joke in there? I don't know if I can keep that joke in there. It's funny though, when people say, "Oh, these blacks are rich," I always think of. It turns off when you flip the screen back up. I always think of like black actors like Will Smith, or Martin Lawrence. The richest blacks. Okay, let's see. Yeah, I'll leave that in. It's probably fine. You two don't kill me over that joke. It's just hee funny. I'm half black. I can say it. Okay. One of my watches is going off. Yep, label down fits in, no problem. Okay, I'm gonna turn it back on. Flipping the screen, and it comes alive. Very nice. I'm gonna set it up real quick. English, absolutely. Look at it. It's like keeping over the horizon. I love it. Okay, I have to download this DJI Nemo app, I believe. So I'll do that real quick. I like that they have you activated with your DJI account, because I own a DJI drone. I've owned it for 2 or 3 years now. And so I like everything in one area, just because I need to use warranty support. It's very nice. Or for software updates or firmware updates, So it's very, very handy. All right, it just found my Pocket 3. No problem. There you go. Connect. Yep. Codes are the same. Connecting just like that. Agree. Allow access. Next. I gotta log in. I expected that. Shout out to NordPass for finding my account. No problem. And entering in my username and password. No problem. Love NordPass. It's the best password manager. Activate. It's activating. All right, so we're downloading a firmware update real quick. As you can see. As you can mostly see, because my camera sometimes has trouble focusing on reflections, but no big deal. Got half battery in here. Man, this screen is blowing me away for real. It's so nice. I think I can. Yeah, it's got a little joystick. You can move the camera. That's so cool. Okay, it's currently updating. It says wait 2 minutes. I can already tell this is gonna be the coolest action cam I've ever owned. This is wild. This is insane. The screen is absolutely gorgeous. I love it. It's so nice. Yeah, also, in case you're wondering if you want to know what the heck Paradigm Deals is, that's my eBay store name. So the URL I'm having trouble with. I just bought it yesterday. ParadigmDeals.com it's supposed to take you to my eBay store. Currently, I'm working out the bug. Still, it keeps coming back with a DNS error, so I gotta check out what's going on at my domain registrar. So, but once I get that going, that's how you get there. It's the quickest way to get there. If you want to buy something from me. All right, cool. And I already have the card in there. I do want to quickly flip the camera around, tap to rotate gimbal, and look, it's on me. That is so cool. Okay, I'm gonna format the memory card real quick, and then we will cut to live view. We will cut to the camera, so stay tuned. All right, so here's the camera. I'm shooting currently 1080p 30. Just gonna leave it at that because I think that's what I shot on my PC. I just didn't realize that my audio was a little high when filming the unboxing, so I hope it's not blowing out, but it might be, and that's horrible if that's the case. To do a lot of doctoring. Anyway, worry about that later. You can tell this camera's new. It's got a bunch of notifications, but yeah, this is beautiful. I love that. Look at that. Everything's so stable. That's the best word to say. Wow, that's so cool. So, and I'm gonna make a dedicated video on, like, ways to shoot, features, what different things look like. This is just me opening up out of the box on camera, probably with jacked up audio. Let's be real. I can't believe I didn't notice it until just now. Anyway, whatever. Thank you all so much for watching. More to come. Definitely more to come. More vlogs to come now that I have a camera I enjoy using. As much as I like this one, it's a headache to get clips off of this onto the Mac. You have to use the proprietary software because it's a 360 camera, and you have to make sure each clip is formatted for not 360. Otherwise, you get a globe-looking thing. Anyway, it's a whole thing. Anyway, thank you all so much for watching. More to come. Stay tuned. I'll see you all in the next one. Take care. Bye.